Yay! Tuwang-tuwa naman si Inday. Ay. Again? The other one? Yay! Big girl na ikaw? Lolo. Morning guys! Happy Thursday! Kami lang ni Baby Celine dito sa bahay. Actually, dito sa Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike is working from home today. But our Ate Paris is at school. Kapatulog ko. Dapat to siya guys. Like, magnanap sana ito. Naglalaro sa kanyang nay eh. Say hi guys! Is that you? Is that Celine? Ta. Tigi. Ang balingit nga, bibi. Palangga si mama. Sige. Ride it, babe. Sige. Mama. Push here. Oopsie. Say, oopsie. Sige, ito darong maanak pa. Well. Where's Daddy? Where is he? Where's Daddy? Tell Tita and Tito where Daddy is. Tell Tita and Tito. Where is your Daddy? Where's Daddy? What's the sound of the horse? Nay. Oh, what's the sound of the cat? Wow. What's the sound of the sheep? Bah. What's the sound of the monkey? Oh, what's the sound of the lion? Another one? Come on, let's go to the bedroom na anak pa. Hey, gonna have a nap. What's the time na anak? It is now, babe. The time is... What does he want? Nakita niya. Yeah! Sit down. Close the blinds. Can you close the blinds? Dito ako guys kasi tingnan niyo mga damit na kailangang tupiin. Sinimulan ko na. Hindi ko matapos-tapos. Sarado na yan yung kanyang blinds Oh, may dumating pala akong mga parcel. Anak ko! Can you wait for a second, anak? I'm just gonna show Tita and Tito something. Matulog na pala siya, guys. Nag-close na siya ng blinds. So, may natanggap tayo from SHEIN today. Alam niyo ba, last month pa sana ito. But for some reason, yung delivery daw, yung first na package na pinadala nila, na... Ano nangyari doon? Basta may nangyari na hindi nila na-deliver. So, they had to... Well, they asked me kung gusto kong ipa-reship or gusto kong magpa-refund. Sabi ko, since naghintay na naman ako ng bonggang-bongga, ay maghihintay na lang ako ng another, whatever, week, 2 weeks. So, ito yung mga dumating. But, unfortunately, yung jeans na binili ko ay wala na dito sa original. Parang ni-refund nila ata. Wala na daw sa stock. So, first is this. Naghanap talaga ako ng mga pa-crop. Ayan. Basic lang ba? Actually, itong suot ko ngayon, crop siya na knit na rib tee. Ayan. Nagsuot-suot ako ng ano guys. Oh. Ang tawag dito. Waist trainer. Kay Daddy Mike Itay. Suot-suot ko. Why not? Na! We'll open it quickly ha. Siya tita. Hala! Ano nang nangyari dito eh? So, the second one is itong suot ko na ano, para siyang pants na tights. Ganyan ba? Ganyan. And then another one. Kasi dalawa yung ano. Different siya ng patterns. Pero design siya na ganito. Parang shorts na. Biker shorts yun. Ayan. And then another top. Ayan. And then ano pa ba? Ito. Isang set to siya. So, 4 sila. Brown, black, white, and gray. Basic lang sila na crop top. Pang daily use ba? Ayan. Diba? Madaling, parisan. Tapos the white one. Out of all na dumating today, I think ito, kaya sinuot ko. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko kasi, ewan ko, maganda yung kanyang quality. The rest, not the best. I think it depends on the color. So, yung brown, sa isang set, mas nagagandahan ako kumpara sa white. Para siyang SHEIN. Yung, ano niya ba? Hindi ko siya bet. Anyways, meron pang isang crop top na white. Spaghetti strap naman to siya. And then, may pangtulog. Hindi ko rin siya bet, guys. Yung quality niya ay very... I'm not complaining kasi sa presyo naman na binayad mo, like, huwag mo i-compare sa mga quality ng Zara or yung mga, medyo may price na mga brands. Ito siya, very cheap naman siya. Kaya, you get what you pay. But, ito, I think it's really worth it yung binayad ko dito. I think maybe $8 for this one. And it's super, super nice. Yung kanyang fit sa akin, sobrang ganda. Pakita nyo. So, yung kasi lang to siya eh. Crop top. Ganun. Oh. Hala, laki ng dudo ko dito tingnan kasi bra. Foam pa more. Ayan. Oh, 'di ba? Crop top lang siya, sobrang ganda niya, guys, eh. Tapos my last item is yung ating oversized na blazer. Yan. Tagal ko nang naghahanap nito, guys. Oversized talaga siya. Oversized pa lang hinahanap mo, ha? Bigyan kita ng oversize. Ganyan. Madilim ba? Tingnan nyo. Napakahaba. But, alam nyo na ang gagawin dyan. I-fold nyo lang ng ganyan. Tapos, naka-ano ka lang. Naka-sneakers na white. May bongga ka ng pa-outfit. Say bye-bye, tita. Dito for now, be. So, I'm just gonna go have a nap before we go pick up Ate Paris. Okay? I love you. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. Ay, shush! Nakadami na pala eh. Close the blinds na for the second time around. Close the windows. Close the blinds because we're gonna go sleep na. Go. Go, close it. Close! Anak, ang ating tupiin nak. Hindi matapos-tapos. It's a very nice day today. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, have a look at the clouds. Very clear ang skies. What's going on? Huh? What is it you wanna do? You have to take the dummy out so I can understand what you're talking about. As if. Yes, which one? This one? No.
Mama. Mommy.
Mommy. This one.
No.
Oh no.
Mama.
Hang on. This one.
No.
No.
No, Mama. No.
No. Ano sa balay na?
Mommy.
Oh, anong gusto mo, anak? This one?
No.
No.
Mama.
Okay, this one.
No.
Hala. Be, this one? Ang earphone sa iyong daddy. Shush, alam niya kung saan ilalagay. Shush!
Mom.
Ay, wala. Second option pala ito, anak.
Daddy.
Ha? Meron pa talagang iba? Gusto mo, This one? This one?
No.
No, okay. This one? No. Okay, come on. Time check tayo, guys. It is 1:20 in the afternoon. Tulog na ang ating baby Celine. Nagugutom na ako sa kain. Do you want some spaghetti, Daddy? Ay, nagluto ako ng spaghetti kagabi. Hindi pa ito siya spaghetti, guys. Kasi tingnan niyo, penny. Penny yata ang tawag dito sa pasta na to. Pero yung ginamit ko na sauce ay yung Filipino spaghetti sauce. Ayan. So, ito yung kinain ko kagabi. Daming naiwan. Kainin natin. Ngayon. Oh, do you want this salad, Bob?
No, it's finished, buddy.
Oh, is it off?
Yeah, it's done. I'm done now.
I have steak. Yan. Kain na ako. Tapos, lutuin ko yan for Daddy mo. Kumusta na ba ang aking pagmumukha, guys? So, it's been... Hindi ko na maalala. 4 days? Na gumagamit ako nung RYX skin... Ano tawag mo, guys? Ay, RYX skin sincerity? Basta, RYX skin. Yung pang ano sa mukha. So, I think naglighten ng konti yung aking melasma, but it's still there. So, kung i-compare ko yung last time na ginamit ko last year, yung Skin Magical, I feel like ano siya, mas mabilis yung result sa akin ng Skin Magical compared dito sa RYX. But I think it's because of the, kasi mas mild yung... Someone's crying now. Hindi pa nga ako nakakainin. May nagising na. Ayan, bumaba na, oh. It's okay. You don't need to cry. Mama is here. Come on. Come this way. My little girl. Come here, my love. Hindi pa nga nakakain si mama na? Ay, shush! Change mo na pila niya yung baby, ay. Diyan kami kalos. So yeah, I feel like yung RYX ay very mild kumpara sa solution na ginagamit nila for Skin Magical. So alam niyo ba, hindi ako nag-peel. So it's been like 4 days now. Walang peeling na naganap. And before ko ginamit yung RYX, yeah, so nag-check ako ng YouTube, ng mga reviews. So yung ano talaga, yung may-ari talaga ng RYX, tinry niya. And I was very surprised kasi the next day lang ata, nag-start na siyang mag-peel. So for me, I don't know why wala siyang peeling na nangyari. Kaya siguro hindi siya na hindi siya nag-lighten ng bonggang-bongga. Kasi hindi strong ba enough for me. What's that? Is this? Is this?
Cool. What's the custom Pelican?
Oh, shush na. Wait na. Do you want some, pasta? Pasta yum-yum? Nak, sobrang bilis naman ang tulog mo na. Huh? Alam niyo ba? It's very, interesting, no? Yung mga anak ba, na yung connection nila with their parents. Well, sa akin ha, last night, si Celine, natulog siya, nasa bed na siya. Tapos, open yung door. Ako, nag-ready ako for bed. So, before ako matulog, mag-lotion-lotion muna si mami niyo. So, ako lang dito sa lunchroom. Madilim na. Sobrang dilim na. Tapos, I heard Celine na naglalakad papunta sa akin. Like, it was very dark kasi I turned the light off na. Tapos, baby Celine, bumaba pala siya ng bed. Tapos, naglakad siya papunta sa akin. Paano niya nalaman na nandun ako? It's very dark. Pero very kalma lang siya naglalakad papunta sa akin.
That's fine. I think.
You want
now
ate?
she's done it.
This one or this one? You want
No issue.
that photo?
I think what's
Wow, that's Mama,
Sharon, I reckon it's
Daddy,
once I-
Celine, and Ate
once I watch
Paris.
on 20th of February,
And Ate
personally,
Paris.
but I reckon the contact center consultant sort of actually looked or taken calls afterwards. Haven't
So super special talaga yung relationship
There was a
ng parents and kids
So she confirmed the 2 payments.
ng mama.
She actually confirmed
Tsaka
that the
ng
payments were genuine.
Anak, no? Di lang mama na. Yes. Yes, my love. What's going on? Tingnan niyo. Oh. Anong gusto niyang kunin eh? Which one? Which one? Huh? Okay, this is mommy, daddy. Which one would you like? The Paris. Oh, sobrang cute naman yan. Ay,
Yes.
this photo is my family. Tingnan niyo. Which one? This one? You want Celine and Ate Paris? Okay. Yeah.
I guess that's fine. At the end of the day,
Yeah?
that part is no issue.
Oh, I miss them, guys.
What I want to do, like, is I don't think actually
Every day. Yeah, which one? Allah, do you want everything down? Who's that? Where's B? Where's Lola Vilma? Where's Lola Vilma? Di mo makita ba? Liit na mukha ng lula mo eh. Tingnan nyo, picture to niya. Ate Paris siya ni Daddy Mike. Late-late pa na sila nito. Sa Melbourne pa to. Mahilig na talaga silang mag-alis-alis silang dalawa. Ito tayo ng cheese. Cheese whiz. Si Celine, in love sa photo namin na yung picture namin nung sa Pinas kami. Yung kami lahat. Tititig. Na. Tititigan mo man na. Na. Tapos, lagay lang yan sa ibabaw. Okay. Ganun. Ow! 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 Yung cheese lang? Cheese? Yeah. Hang on, I'll cut you one piece. Here you go. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. I have some grapes too lang. The grapes. The grapes for you, I love. Farewell to you, my friend. We'll see each other. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything. I'm making you happy. Cheese. Pa. 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 Mag-cut tayo ng grapes. Itong grapes na to, parang hindi pa siya hinog, guys. Kasi, medyo, ano pa siya, ladang ba? Tagalog sa ladang, oh. Bet? Marag po siya sa punuan na hilaw pa. Nanginahanglan yung sapi ang tag-iya. Di-harvest man sa'yo. Yes, what are you doing there? Makiat na sa ibabaw ng lamisa. Sing. Yes. Try me? Try it. Grabe, apa lu kat sini? Dale.
Flooding. What?
Half.